chaos. Tools everywhere. I swear, every time I need a drill bit, it's hiding under 3 wrenches and a chicken feeder. And let's be honest, this is not sustainable. My wife told me either build a shelf or the tools go. And she wasn't joking. Today, we're gonna be building a simple DIY storage shelf out of some 2x4s and some plywood. It's cheap, it's sturdy, and it's something anybody can knock out in a small space. Remember, it's not about having the fanciest setup. It's about making what you need for your home with what you've got. Let's start building. All right, check it out. We got our boards all cut up. I marked them: frame support, side support, shelf support, just so I know where each board's going. We're doing a 4 foot by 3 foot, 4 foot high by 3 foot long with a 2 foot depth for our shelves. I wanted to do like a 4x6, but I didn't have enough 2x4s to do that big. Nonetheless, 4x3 should still be enough room for what I want to do. We got the drill strapped up, ready to go. We're going to use this drill bit to pre-drill some holes, so that way when we use our screws, we don't crack the board, anything like that. So essentially, this is the idea. We got our bottom, our frame board is going to come up each corner there, and then we'll have a second shelf, third shelf up top here. Got it clamped down here. It's all flush. So I'm gonna start and drill my pilot holes into here, and then we'll get everything screwed up nice and sturdy.
That's what she said.
Just want to show you real quick. She's level, in between the lines. Might be slightly off, but we're in between the lines, which means we're level. All right, check it out. There we go. Here is the skeleton of our shelf. Got supports in the middle. We are all level, as you saw from the bubble. Now, all we gotta do is measure out, cut this plywood up, get her nailed down here, looking like an actual shelf. ladies and gentlemen, our 3-shelf unit that we're gonna use to put all our tools, chicken feed, all that good stuff right on here so they're not laying inside of the house just on the floor. Now all that's left to do, get this thing moved inside and get our tools organized. We got the shelf inside. Now we just gotta organize our tools from the floor onto the shelf. Let's get it. Tools off the floor, wife is happy, and I can finally find my tape measure. This right here, why we do it. Small bills that make a huge difference out on the homestead. Everything neat, organized, and exactly where it should be. See, on this homestead, it's more than just building shelves. It's about bringing order to the chaos, finding our peace in the work, and showing that you don't need a lot of fancy gear or money to build the life that matters. And that's exactly what this is. One step at a time, trusting in God, building something lasting for our family and future generations. So if you found this helpful, or your tools are just as messy as mine are, well then hit that subscribe button and hit that like button. And join us out here on the homestead, because we're just getting started. Thank you all for tuning into the channel. Thank you all for watching another video here on Mundo's Homestead Adventures. I'll see y'all next week. Peace.